What's up, YouTube? It's your guys, the Hotshot Hotwires, back at it again with a banger.
We hope you enjoyed our video on effects of microgravity on organisms.
Hello, this presentation will be on the effects of microgravity on organisms. Today we'll be discussing the effects of microgravity on specifically humans. We would like to thank one of our youth mentors for making the slides, and she just graduated from our team. Overview. This presentation will include why we study microgravity, how microgravity affects humans, plants, and bacteria, and how we study microgravity. Why study microgravity? It is important to study microgravity because we need to prepare for long-duration spaceflights that are bound to become more common in the future. It is important to understand the effects of microgravity on humans because we want to ensure that it is safe during space travel. If humans ever travel to space for long periods of time, it is likely that we will have to exist together with plants, just like we do on Earth, for food and oxygen. If we do this, then obviously it's important to study the effects of microgravity on plants. For similar reasons, we will need to understand the effects of microgravity on bacteria. In our body, there are bacteria which will travel with us when we go to space. Some of these bacteria are useful, and some of these are harmful. It is important to make sure that the useful bacteria stay functional, and the harmful bacteria don't do more damage. Microgravity affects many systems in the human body. It affects the cardiovascular system, which is the heart and the blood vessels, the muscular system, which is the muscles, the skeletal system, which is the skeleton, the nervous system, which is the brain, spinal cord, and nerves, the vestibular system, which is in the inner ear and controls balance and coordination, the digestive system, and the immune system, which protects the body against pathogens. Muscular and cardiovascular systems. The muscles aren't used as much in space because they're not needed to fight against gravity. As a result, it is easier for muscles to do their job, causing them to slowly decrease in size and strength. This can be a problem upon return to Earth. The heart, which is the main organ in the cardiovascular system, also has to work less hard, and as a result, it atrophies. As you may recall, atrophy means to decline or to degenerate. Skeletal system. Microgravity causes a decrease in bone density and as a result, bone mass. Like muscles, there is much less stress on bones during microgravity conditions, so the bone density decreases. Microgravity has been shown to accelerate disc herniation in the discs of the spine. Disc herniation is the process by which fluid inside the disc, called intervertebral fluid, seeps out of cracks in the disc. This is shown in the figure. The nervous system. Microgravity was shown to alter the gray matter volume in different parts of the brain, as shown in the top figure. In some areas, the gray matter volume showed an increase, and in other areas, the gray matter volume showed a decrease. These changes in volume could potentially lead to memory and judgment issues. Microgravity is also associated with visual impairment. This is because microgravity causes a buildup of disc fluid, or edema, in the eye, which increases the pressure in the eye. This increase in fluid is shown in the bottom figure, which clearly shows an increase in disc size in conditions of microgravity. That's all for today. We'll be back in a few days with part 2, in which we'll talk more about the effects of microgravity on plants and microbes, as well as ways of simulating microgravity.
Thank you!
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please slam a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell as hard as you can.